Hi everyone, I wanted to show you today how you can use this the conditional operator or the ternary operator, the question mark, and the logical and operator to assign variables uh, as if you were using an if-else statement. So I just made a little test function here that we're gonna kind of rebuild and take a look at. So let's go here and make the function. It might not be exactly the same, but we'll do like function car. I don't remember what it was called now already. Let's do car make. And then so if we input something into car make, let's analyze the car make. So like let's say we're gonna have one car one equals Corolla. Okay, so like we want to assign something to a variable. So we're going to use let, and we're going to say let car quality. Okay, so we have to use let here when we're using the conditional and the and operator, because otherwise you can't declare, you can't use the declaration keyword inside of the operator because it doesn't read. It gets scoped to the enclosure of the if else or the ternary operators. So we're going to use let here, and so we're going to say so it's as if we're saying if car equals Corolla, car quality equals high. So this is like kind of the thing we want to get out, and then we can return car quality. Okay. So instead of using the if, we can just use let's do the logical and. So we'll ask the question car is equal to Corolla, and the logical and operator here is kind of like the question mark, except you only need to use one argument. And so car quality equals Corolla, and then we're gonna have to put it in parentheses here, the assignment part. So this is basically like saying if car is equal to Corolla, then car quality, let's assign car quality to high. Okay, so if we don't use the parentheses here, you can see we get an error, and the program's a little confused here. Like it kind of thinks this is the end of the statement, I guess, and it's trying to evaluate this as a truthy or falsy. But anyway, so we can see here, we'll comment this out, and we'll give it a shot. So we got car Corolla. So let's do car make. Okay, car one. Oopsie. And I'm gonna run it down there. It's gonna run in the code runner, and I've got to console it. So this should return that car quality is high. And there it is. You see down there. So it's if we comment this out and do it the other way, it's going to give us the same answer, high. And then you know, and if we pass something else here, Buick, we go down there, and oh, we're just going to get undefined. So since we haven't used an else here, this we only declared the variable keyword, but we haven't actually given it a value yet. So I think we could actually use this case for using the ternary operator now. So so maybe instead of using the and here, we can say car equals Corolla, car quality equals high, and then this, now we can use a colon, and it's going to be as if we're saying else here. So we can say car quality equals low if it's not a Corolla. So this way, when we the ternary operator is going to check if the car quality, or it's going to check if the previous comparison is true or not. And if it's true, it's going to assign this value, and if it's not, it's going to assign that value. And I'm pretty sure you have to use the parentheses here as well. Let's see. Not with the second one, at least, looks like. Maybe not with the first either. Okay, yeah, so just with the, right, it's just with the and operator that you have to use the question mark, because I think it's a little trickier for the program to interpret that and operator, because it could mean some other stuff. So let's try this one out then. So we have, if we run the function again, now we should get back a low now as the answer, and we do. Down there you see low. So that means that the function takes the argument, it reads whether or not it's true or false, and it assigns the variable value to it because of that. So that's basically it. We can actually end this video here. I just wanted to show you that you can use the ternary and you can use the and operator as a variable assignment. So if we write that other one in here, just to sum it up. So these were the two different ones that we did. They probably shouldn't both be in there at once, but you can see that either one of them can be used. So that's it, and maybe that can help you make your code a little cleaner and not use if else if it's not necessary, or if you don't want to. And it might be a little harder to interpret this, but I mean, once you get used to it, it's pretty, probably, I would say it's just as easy to interpret it. But there you go. Enjoy.